guys, it's JBZ back with another Roblox Not Me video. And yesterday was the farm update with the new farm eggs. And I'm really excited because a pig has been added. So let's go check out the new pets and see the eggs. We want to go to pets. Okay. And it's a cow. Okay? Cow. Why not a pig? Pigs are the best. Well, we have enough to buy one, so let's buy one. Is my egg okay? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. Phew. It's okay, guys. I want to get out a pram, little stroller. Get in, egg. Thank you. Let's check out. Oh, my gosh. Let's check out the... So our chances of getting a pet in this egg is 20% common, 35% uncommon, 27% rare, 15% ultra rare, and 3% legendary. So that means we're probably going to get an uncommon. So my farm egg needs water, so let's just go to the drink tap quickly while we check out this board. So there's a chicken as what's blue? Common. We got a duck, I'm guessing, and a goose or something. And they are both uncommons. And then we go down more and we got the pig and the cow. And as you can see, the pig is already unlocked for me because I already have the pig. And we also have the cow, and they're both rares. The next one, ultra rares, are the llama and the turkey. And then there's two legendaries, which doesn't happen very often. A crow and an owl. The crow looks like it's kind of like a parrot, I guess, kind of. Let's see the parrot. Parrot's there. Crow's there. Yeah, they look pretty similar. Okay, well my egg needs some food, so let's go quickly get some food. I have also got another egg that's ready to be hatched because this one's going to take a long time. So let's get out our other egg. Pet. You got food. We need to get you some food. Let's see what we're going to get, guys. What will we get? Let's see. And we got a... What is this? What? A drake. Drake. Okay, that's funny. That is funny. Okay. Let's give this one food. And the eggs, as usual, they're $7.50, as usual. Oh, okay, this one's done. So we got a drake now, which is pretty cool. And also, guys, I've borrowed this from a friend, and it is a neon piggy. It's a bit smelly, though. Let's give it a shower. We want it to be good, not bad. Look at that pig, though. It's so cute. It kind of looks dirty, though, because the neonness, the pink neon, makes the pink look like a dirty pink. So let's go get it some hospital apples. Wait, I want to get this egg. Quick. No, we missed it. Oh, that's okay. Wait, where's the Oh, the hospital's over here. Wow. And I got the pig first try, which I was hoping for, and because the pig was like the only one that I really wanted, and I got it first try. So I was really happy about that. Because if you didn't know, There's only one more pet I need added into the game for all my favourite animals to be added. A dog, a giraffe, and a pig, which means I need a zebra. They better add one soon. They should have added one in the safari with the giraffe, but they didn't. So I need one. Got giraffe, Daisy. We also got Piggy. And where's my dogs? We also got dogs. All these doggy dogs. Okay. I'm really hoping that I can get more pigs so I can make a neon pig of my own, because this isn't actually mine. This is a pig that I'm borrowing from somebody. Let's get out our other egg. We'll see if we can hatch it as well. Woo! Okay. Wait, why is this airplane propeller in front of the glider? Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you. I got the hoverboard when it was out. It's not out anymore, but I got it when it was out. It's blue. I like it. Control. Da, 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 da. This looks pretty cool, except my boots. No. I'm levitating. Oof. I'm okay, guys. It's okay, we're just not going to talk about this because I suck at driving. Oh. Can I get up? Thank you. Ow. And if you want to see the full tour of this Hollywood house, by the way, guys, go check out my latest video where I do a whole tour of it. So let's quickly give it a shower, wash it up, and then we might end the video. Whoa. I'm going to go to the pet place. Ha 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 ha. I'm leaving my egg. Bye, egg. Ooh. Okay. Let's go. Get out my neon piggy pig. Let's check out the tricks as well while we're here. So we got the tricky trick. The first one is sit. Sit. The next one, can you go here? Thanks. Is lay down. That's how it sleeps. The next one's bounce. Oh wow, that's not good. And the next one is joy. Whoa, yeah. Number 6 is dance 1. Oh, is that like a barrel roll or something? I don't know what that is. Dance 2, which is the final. What the? Okay. Let me just pick you up. That's the final trick. And that was dance 2, I'm pretty sure. Yes, it was dance 2. So, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!